BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Google Chrome on desktop, it's time to start updating your browser once again. And Google has pushed out yet another point release update for Chrome version 110, which now takes the browser to version 110.0.5481.178. Now, that point release can either be 177 or 178, and this update is rolling out for Mac, Linux, and Windows users. Now, unlike the previous point release updates, this is a very important update, as the previous updates were maintenance updates for the browser, bring in bug fixes and stability improvements. Now, this is a security update which includes 10 security fixes. So that's quite a lot of security issues that have been addressed for a point release update. And although Google doesn't mention any issues or exploits or flaws that have already been exploited in the wild, there are no 0 days. But nonetheless, there is a critical vulnerability that has been patched, which is your highest ranked vulnerability. So nonetheless, a very important security update that is rolled out. And over and above the critical vulnerability that has been fixed, we get 6 high-risk vulnerabilities, which is your second highest ranked vulnerability after a critical. So we are dealing with a critical vulnerability and 6 high-risk vulnerabilities and flaws. So important to double check that your browser is up to date. Now, most of the exploits that have been patched and fixed are use after free, which is a common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. And use after free, just to do a quick recap, is when you close your browser, as an example, that memory that is freed up from your browser can be used by a hacker or an attacker to gain access to your system, either over a network or over the internet. So nonetheless, an important security update rolling out, fixing 10 security flaws in the browser. And I have checked around the browser after applying this update, and it doesn't seem at this stage that there are any new features or any major changes. It's just a very important security update addressing 1 critical vulnerability, 6 high-risk vulnerabilities, and 10 vulnerabilities have been fixed in total. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.